This is to show you how to update a constituent's mailing address. So let's go into a constituent, go to the details, and scroll down, and go to mailing address, click the pencil. So if you have a completely new mailing address, just type it in. And press save. And that's all you have to do, and it changes. I do want to show you that this will now be updated on the account also. I'm going to click the account. And the new address, Hello Street, is now the default, and it saves the old one. And that's it. Pretty easy.